English grammar. My dear viewers, my today's topic of discussion is fill in the blanks with proper forms of the verbs. It is the most important topic for any kind of competitive exam, for any kind of class exam, etc. However, before entering the topic, I should request all of you to subscribe my channel, to like, to comment and share if this video comes to your benefit. Thanking all of you. Let us start. Hardly had I finished finishing reading the newspaper when I heard hearing a knock at my door. So hardly had is always followed by the past participle form of the verb. So hardly had I finished reading the newspaper when I heard. So it is the simple past tense. A knock at my door. Now come to the second example. No sooner did I, you see that the auxiliary verb is in the past form. So the following verb, the principal verb, must be in the present form. No sooner did I reach, not reached, did I reach the station than it, as it is in the past tense, so it must be followed by another past tense, that is started. No sooner did I reach the station than it started raining. Now come to the third example. As soon as the teacher entered and entering, you see that the next clause is stood up. So it is in the past form. So it should be as soon as the teacher entered the class, the students stood up. You see that stood up is the past form, so it will be the past form. Now come to the fourth example. How many times should you? Should is the past form of shall. Should you? So the next verb will be present form. How many times should you forgive your brother? Should you forgive your brother? Now come to the fifth example. When the sun set and setting, the plant stopped fed and feeds. Stopped must be followed by the verb feeding. Stopped eating. Stopped playing. Always verb plus ing. Remember it. So when the sun set, it is in the past form. When the sun set, the plant stopped feeding. Okay. Number 6. Walking and walks in the morning is good for health. You know that gerund means non-finite verb plus present form of the verb plus ing. So it is used as subject. Walking in the morning is good for health. That's the most important examples of the use of the proper forms of the verbs. These are commonly set in all competitive exams, PSC, SSC, and every competitive exam. However, let us end here, and I hope that all of you have understood, and if this video comes to your benefit, you must subscribe my channel, An Easy Step to English Grammar. Thanking all of you.